Well, welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. We're bringing you along for breakfast this morning. Appreciate you stopping in. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, as always, guys, we appreciate you. Let's cook some breakfast here in the Piney Woods. I believe we'll start off this breakfast with some southern sausage that we ground off of some of the last Hereford pigs that we processed back last winter. It is excellent sausage, guys. And a lot of eggs. We get eggs every single day. Eggs to the point they're running out our ears, but we got a good supply of them and we're thankful for them. So we're going to crack a few open, crack open some sausage here, and get to frying. Because that's what we do here in the South. We fry. Y'all, while that sausage is starting to fry, I'm going to take a couple of small potatoes and grate them up real fine on here, because I'm making what I call croquettes. I'm not sure if that's what they're actually called, but I take the fine side on the grater here and get it down into a fine pulp, squeeze the water out, and make me basically a real smooth hash brown. And they're really good. If we're not eating grits, which Lisa and I have two opinions on how to eat grits, how to cook them. I like them thin, she likes them a little thicker. And it's hard to make grits and make them thin and thick at the same time. And both of you eat at the same time, I guess, unless you're making two pots. So I compromise a lot of times because I like these potatoes too. Although there was a time in my life, and my mother would get a kick out of this, where we ate nothing but potatoes for what seemed like months. It may not have been that long. Probably wasn't. But Mama would fix potatoes for breakfast and supper, and probably lunch too. And that was just a time in our life when things were really tight and Daddy was hauling potatoes. At a time in our life when things were really tight. So we ate a whole lot of potatoes. And for the longest time, you would not catch me eating potatoes when I was older. But I like them a whole lot now. I wouldn't even order French fries if I was eating at a fast food place. That's how much I despised them there for a time. But I like them. And then we eat quite a bit of potatoes now. As you can see, we've got a bunch growing out here in the raised beds. And hopefully have some way of storing those potatoes a whole lot longer this year. Pretty soon. So stick around for that, guys. That'll be something interesting coming up in the future. Y'all, this sausage is looking fantastic. This is honestly the best sausage that we have ever had. It seems like everything that you produce on your own just tastes better. I don't know why that is. I don't know if it's just because you're proud of the fact that you produced it, that you grew it, that you worked the ground, or that you took care of that animal and you herd for that long. I don't know why it tastes better. It just does. I don't know if it's because it's so much fresher. I don't know. It just tastes better when you've worked the dirt with your hands, or when you have raised and processed the animal on your own. All right, y'all, that don't look too bad if I do say so myself. Fried Hereford sausage, whole hog sausage, with excellent southern seasonings in it. Potato croquettes, that's what I call them. It's smooth on the inside, crispy on the outside, and a hard fried egg. I'll call it almost an English breakfast, minus the baked beans, tomatoes, blood pudding, stuff like that. So we'll call it a southern breakfast. A Patty Woods southern breakfast. And y'all, I'm a little goofy this morning. I'm tired. It's raining. It's a good day to rest. So thought I'd bring you a little breakfast video. We're going to dig in, guys. Hope you're digging into something good at your place. Y'all have a good day, a great week. We'll see you on the next one. Good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high.